What's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these famous 2 straight back man bun braids, and I'm so sorry in advance if it's not as detailed. I'm just using old content, but in the meantime, let's get to the video. So I started the braid off with parting it down the middle, and I used the nose to help me know where the middle part is, and then from here I'll take a small section at the corner. And I didn't get this part, but I took 3 sections. I put the right strand underneath the middle and the left strand underneath the middle. So after that, I also take the right strand underneath the middle, but this time I add hair to it from both sides. So left strand underneath the middle and taking hair from that side and incorporating it into the braid. So this is it up close. Right strand underneath the middle, taking hair from that section, combing it out and twisting it underneath the middle, left strand underneath the middle, and take hair from that side and incorporating it into the braid. My key to clean looking braids is to take my gel and put it on the part before I actually part it into the braid, so kind of like a rough draft. And it also gives me an advantage to have a grip on the hair, especially if the hair is straight. So the gel that I'm using is called Shine and Jam from Ampro, and guys, this is the thing I die for. If I don't have this gel, I cannot braid anybody's hair. Another key to tight braids is to keep your hands on the head at all times. You don't have to tug or pull too much, just a little tug for you to know that it's firm, and the gel will definitely help you grip a lot better. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll definitely do a more detailed up close video next time, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.